Now, one thing I like to try doing is we are going to see if we can inflate the lungs. Now, you may not see the lungs yet, but these are the lungs right there. These are a backup for a frog. They're not going to be the main way that they're going to be breathing. There's the other one right there. There's our pair of them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that little straw that I talked about, open up his mouth, and we're going to insert it. I'll blow into it, and we'll see whether or not we can inflate it. So that'll take me just a moment to get all my stuff prepared, and we'll be back in just a moment, and you'll get a chance to see this. Hopefully, we haven't damaged any of this tissue here, so it will inflate just fine. We have our frog positioned in such a way that you can see pretty easily the lungs. So here are the lungs sitting right there and right there. The heart is positioned right in the center, just like you'd expect for our own circulatory system and respiratory system. Now, the important thing when you're putting the straw in is you don't want to force it. If you push it too hard, it's going to enter into the glottis, which is that vertical slit that's found in the back of the throat, and you'll push it right through the windpipe, which will be the trachea, and then of course you're not going to get any inflation at all. But I'll go ahead and do some inflation and deflation so you get a chance to see the secondary backup, better known as the lungs, and it's quite marvelous. And if we just want to show you what it looks like on the inside, hopefully you can see how we've placed that right into the glottal region. Right behind that's the esophagus. We just want to make sure that you get it positioned in a very nice way, very gently, very gingerly. You push it too hard and you're not going to get this at all.
Go. Oh. Don't break it. Whoa, that is wrong. I'm gonna get away. Oh my goodness.
Fully inflated.
Wow.
Okay.